Do you want to get thinner? More than fad diets, there are numerous methods that can aid in weight loss. It requires careful planning and a lot of willpower. Here are a few simple steps to aid in weight loss. 1. Consider apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid, which is present in apple cider vinegar, makes it beneficial for weight loss. Acetic acid prevents the accumulation of body fat. Additionally, apple cider vinegar heals digestive problems, fights infections, and aids in the body's absorption of nutrients from meals. 2. Lemon water to start your day. Lemon water is a fantastic beverage for shedding pounds. Your body can acquire the nutrients it needs from lemon juice to avoid weight gain and burn fat for energy. To maintain your new weight, make sure to continue drinking lemon juice even after you lose weight. 3. Exercise. Regular exercise and activity are a necessity if you want to reduce weight in a healthy way. You can control your weight and reduce weight by engaging in a variety of light and strenuous physical exercise. Exercise also improves your energy, happiness, and sleep quality while reducing stress. Chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and several types of cancer are reduced by it. To avoid skipping your workout regimen on the basis that you don't have enough time, it is advisable to schedule it for a specific time each day. 4. Green tea should be substituted for regular tea or coffee. Green tea consumption is a further helpful strategy for weight loss. It has a wide variety of antioxidants that aid in weight loss by assisting the body in breaking down meals. Due to their ability to release fat from fat cells, catechins found in green tea are excellent for burning fat. They also thwart illness and combat free radicals. Switch to a cup of organic green tea instead of your usual cup of tea or coffee. 3 to 4 glasses of green tea per day are okay. 5. Consume a lot of water. To assist your body in flushing out toxins, consume plenty of water throughout the day. A daily hydration intake of 8 to 10 glasses is advised. Along with aiding in toxin removal, it speeds up fat burning in the body. Eat additional water-rich fruits and vegetables as well. 6. Get enough rest. It's crucial to get enough rest and relax if you want to lose weight. In reality, lack of sufficient sleep alters your body's hormones that signal hunger and fullness, negatively impacts how your body breaks down substances, and influences how your genetics affect your body mass index, BMI. You tend to eat more late-night snacks, you start to want comfort foods, and you become too exhausted to engage in regular exercise. Sleep deprivation might also make it difficult to lose weight. Make sure you sleep for 6 to 8 hours each night. 7. Eat a balanced diet. A nutritious, low-calorie diet is a crucial component of a successful weight loss strategy. Instead of stuffing yourself with junk food, make sure to incorporate fresh fruits, veggies, and whole grains in your diet. Eat less fried and fatty food. Avoid consuming excessive amounts of salt and sugar. Look for your favorite foods in healthier variations. Eat air-popped popcorn rather than oil-popped, high-calorie popcorn. Avoid white bread, cookies, muffins, pizza, hot dogs, burgers, pasta, and other meals produced with white flour. Pick these items in their healthier and whole grain varieties. Instead of just made with whole grains, or multi-grain, their labeling ought to read 100% whole grain. Eat more proteins and fiber while consuming fewer carbohydrates. Your cravings will be fewer and you'll feel fuller for longer thanks to proteins. Plan a cheat meal on one day every week. Just keep in mind that moderation is key. Eat slowly and try not to be disturbed while eating to get the most out of your cheat lunch. Instead of commercial fruit juices that are loaded with sugar and preservatives, choose fresh fruit juice. Incorporate pure coconut oil into your diet. It is healthy, easy to digest, and speeds up the breakdown of elements in your body. Eat more frequent, smaller meals. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.